this client of mine started getting first Google Analytics, then they got the browser SDK, then they actually did a GTM interaction, and now I have HubSpot as a source, but I cannot find it, right? So I have 170,000 events from HubSpot, but I'm not able to see them anywhere.
Do you want to try a live debug
Sure. Want me to share my screen?
if you're feeling dangerous? Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, we might not fix it, but maybe we'll. All right, shout out Arc.
And then
for
from
that.
HubSpot, obviously it's getting somewhere, but I don't know
Yeah,
where
yeah.
because I don't see any events from HubSpot. And
Go
even in the
to
users, I haven't been able to find it.
yeah, click back, go to settings. Yeah, go back to data and then settings all the way at the bottom.
Let me
One
move
more
them
below
down.
pricing. Go to schema settings. So this was one thing I wanted to check. This actually literally happened to me a couple of weeks ago with a customer who said, I can't see these Braze events. Why are they not showing up? We instrumented, checked in Braze, it's all working. If you had the reject event type at the very top, this would be a common, and we don't
Yeah.
really surface it anywhere to tell you that we rejected stuff. So that's not it, but that
One
could
thing
be.
I noticed though, we have a different HubSpot events source and integration versus this is the HubSpot CRM source integration.
I have it as a destination and as a source.
If you were to add a source again in this project, if you were to click add source and search for
Yeah.
HubSpot,
Yeah, I already tried. And then look, basically all the CMS. No, it tells me that I need to put this script. And when I click next, it tells me, okay, we've received data from this source.
just kind of thinking maybe create a new chart, any event where library equals HubSpot, and then group by event name to see if anything's ingested in that format.
Yeah, I
But
was going to do the same thing in events, but yeah, I think a chart is better.
yeah,
So what do you want me to do?
Just go to create at the top here, and this guy, and then segmentation.
In segmentation?
Yeah, so you just go back. If you just click on it too, the first one, yeah, at the top.
can you just do any event? And then in the segment by, add a filter by where library, and then search for HubSpot. Nothing comes up here. Okay.
HS, let me see.
Maybe do a group by library.
Yeah, we could add a group. I think though it would show up as a distinct library. We might need to follow up with you to check with our dev team who's actually worked with this integration more thoroughly.
Okay, one last attempt. Any status isn't really any status. If you click the drop down and go to blocked and deleted, again, I'm not expecting to find anything here, but just, and then check deleted.
No.
I think let's follow up on this one. I think
Okay. Shall we follow up through Slack?
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you very much, guys.